We're going to move on now to our series at joblessness created as a result of the second wave of COVID. We have this story of a family who are surviving on loans and very, very meager earnings. It's a part of a series which we're trying to look at to unearth how difficult it's been for so many across our country.
The Pardeshi family are now surviving on loans, the wife's meager wages from an NGO she works part-time at, and the benevolence of their elder daughter, who works with a private finance company. They say they eat sub-quality rice and grains they buy from the government ration shops now, but they've saved some good rice from their well-off days for guests and special occasions. 49-year-old Devendra Pardeshi in Mumbai lost his job as a sales marketing worker in a flooring showroom during last year's lockdown and has been struggling to find another job since.
हम लोग को 20,000 रुपये देते थे, लेकिन अभी जस्ट लॉकडाउन हुआ है तब से उन्होंने अप्रैल मई जून का हमें तीन महीने का उन्होंने मुझे 5-5 हज़ार रुपये सैलरी दिया। फिर उसके बाद जून में उनको खुद को कोरोना हो गया और उनके घर में उनके फादर को भी कोरोना हो गया, तो फादर एक्सपायर हो गए। तो सर ने मना कर दिया कि बोले मैं अब नहीं कर सकता हूँ, तुम अपना नज़दीकी कहीं जॉब ढूंढ लो। और मैं पिछले 1-1.5 साल से हर जगह पे जॉब के लिए अप्लाई किया, लेकिन कहीं से भी रिस्पांस नहीं आ रहा है।
आपने कितने जॉब के लिए अप्लाई किया होगा?
मैंने कम से कम 5 से 6 जॉब के लिए अप्लाई किया हूँ।
The first wave in the national lockdown last year saw many lose their jobs. The private think tank CMIE, which regularly publishes job loss data, estimated that in the month of April 2020 alone, over 11 crore jobs were lost. However, what this doesn't reflect is that how, because of a faltering economy and a muted job market during the pandemic, many of those who lost their jobs last year continue to be unemployed even now, over a year later, and even in India's commercial capital, Mumbai. In fact, as per an ongoing study at the Azim Premji University, of those who lost their jobs in India in April 2020, 27% were unemployed in April 2021 too, a year later. Unemployment rate in Maharashtra rose from 3.5% in March this year to 5.7% in May. The minister tells us that they will soon be launching a scheme to encourage job creation, where employers can create 25% more jobs for on-job training, and the government will contribute 50% of the salary, up to rupees 5,000 for these new jobs.
हमने एक नई स्कीम बनाई है जिसको हमने ऑन जॉब ट्रेनिंग की स्कीम बनाई, जो आने वाले अगस्त महीने में हम लॉन्च करेंगे, ताकि जो एम्प्लॉयर है, हमने ऐसी स्कीम बनाई है कि आपके पास अगर 100 परमानेंट जॉब है तो 25 आप नए लोगों को ऑन जॉब ट्रेनिंग पे रखें। 50% सैलरी, अगर 10,000 आप तनख्वाह देते हैं तो 5,000 प्रति माह सरकार उसमें तनख्वाह कंट्रीब्यूट करेगी।
But August is still over a month away and many are on the brink. In Ambujwadi, a slum, we meet Mohammad Jamil Akhtar Sheikh, who used to work at a garment manufacturing unit in Borivali as a tailor until last year. The Jamil family now depends on their 11th grader son to make ends meet, who does construction work when he doesn't have classes, earning rupees 200 to 300 a day. Or their daughter, who works with an NGO to earn about rupees 2,000 every 2 months. The impact visible. In their rundown kitchen, their meal for the day: some burnt rice, few rotis, some dal. With no regular source of income anymore, Jamil has taken loans from local loan sharks at exorbitant interest rates to feed his family.
आप कह रहे थे कि आपकी जॉब छूटने के बाद आपने कुछ कर्जा भी लिया था। ये किस लिए लिया था और कितना लिया था?
ये कर्जा हमने करीब 1.5-2 लाख रुपए लिया था, जो कि बढ़ के अभी जो 3 लाख से ऊपर जा रहा है। अभी भर नहीं पा रहा हूँ क्योंकि काम नहीं था, तो हम सोचा कि चलो काम चालू होगा तो कर्जा हम फिरा देंगे। और कर्जा जो है अन्ना लोगों से लिया हुआ है, जो मतलब 15% कम से कम उनका रहता है महीने वाला सिस्टम। महीने का 15%, साल का नहीं है, महीने का 15% का उनका इंटरेस्ट आता है। अभी क्या मालूम उनका कितना होगा।
With camera person Sanjay Mandal, this is Mariam Alavi for NDTV.